In this lesson, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT-generated insights to enhance your video course content and create supplementary materials that provide a comprehensive learning experience. By incorporating AI-generated content into various aspects of your course, you can offer a more engaging and interactive learning experience for your subscribers. Utilizing ChatGPT to research and curate relevant information and examples. ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource for researching and curating information related to your course topic. By providing the AI with specific prompts, you can gather relevant facts, statistics, examples, and case studies that enrich your video content and support your teaching points. This curated information not only enhances your course material but also demonstrates your commitment to providing a thorough and well-researched learning experience. Generating compelling stories and case studies with ChatGPT. Real-life stories and case studies can make complex concepts more relatable and easier to understand. ChatGPT can help you create engaging stories and case studies that illustrate key points in your course. These narratives not only add interest to your video content but also make it more memorable and enjoyable for your subscribers. Incorporating ChatGPT-generated content into course materials, such as presentations and worksheets. In addition to video content, supplementary materials like presentations and worksheets can greatly enhance the learning experience. Use ChatGPT to generate content for these materials, ensuring they align with the topics covered in your video lessons. By providing a variety of resources, you cater to different learning styles and preferences, making your course more accessible and engaging. Ensuring accuracy and quality of ChatGPT-generated content. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's crucial to verify the accuracy and quality of the AI-generated content. Fact-check information, examples, and case studies to ensure they are accurate and relevant to your course. Additionally, proofread and edit the content for clarity and coherence, making any necessary adjustments to optimize the learning experience. By leveraging ChatGPT-generated insights and incorporating AI-generated content into various aspects of your course, you can create a more engaging and comprehensive learning experience for your subscribers. In the next lesson, we will delve into how to use ChatGPT to market your video membership course effectively, covering topics such as crafting persuasive sales copy and promotional content, as well as creating engaging social media posts and advertisements.